Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub. On this episode, we're camping out here in Jenny Springs, about ready to go hop out on the canoe. And Mr. Mock's Hammock sent us this hammock here. So we're going to open it up, try it out, maybe set it up somewhere on the water, and see how we like it. So first thing that we got to do is open up the hammock and see how it is. So we're just going to rip it out of the package and see the outside bag. So that's the outside bag to it. It's got stickers falling everywhere. And it looks pretty similar to the Inu in nature. Slightly bigger bag. Looks like it's got a little tie down on there, and hopefully the straps are inside. It's got a nice little patch right there with a little bird thingy on there. And let's hit the water and see how it is. So now that we got it opened all up here, we have the tag open here, and it looks like it actually has a 550-pound weight capacity, which is pretty nice. And inside the bag, everyone comes with straps, carabiners, the hammock, the carrying bag. So it looks like you've got everything all ready to go, unlike Inu, where you've got multiple bags for one item. So that's a pretty cool feature. We just made it out here on the water, paddling along up the Santa Fe River to find a place to hang our new Mr. Mock's hammock. We just pulled in here to one of the springs here along the Santa Fe River at Jenny Springs. Pretty quiet, nice easygoing spring day. Well, almost spring, it's still February. There's a few trees here that we could maybe use, but I don't know, this doesn't look like the best spot yet. We just arrived up here at the place that we chose to pull off on the side of the river here and set up the hammock. So Sarah, go ahead and open it up. So it pulls open, comes in a nice little pouch. And there should be like 2 clips in there maybe some straps. Don't quite know exactly. So is that the straps and the hooks? Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's go ahead and run these around the trees and then we'll get it hung up. So upon first looking at the straps, they're very similar in nature to the Inu straps, where they wrap around a tree and then have the little hook loop points where you strap the carabiners in. I almost wonder if this is like reflective. That'd be kind of cool. They've got some good length to them. So I believe that this is going to be the tree that we're going to go ahead and hang up one of the straps on, and possibly another tree over here, or this tree and that tree. Could be better. We have the hammock all hung up. These straps are almost identical to the Inu ones. These actually feel slightly sturdier, actually, and it's actually 3 rows of stitching per each loop, so that's a feature I like. Very durable, look reflective in nature. Clips, quite a few stitchings here in case one fails. I like that. Material feels nice, very light, durable. Coming on down here to the carrying bag / little side pouch, it's stitched on there pretty well. Has a little drawstring, stitched up pretty nicely. And same thing over here. Clips, straps, hooked right up to the tree. Well, now we just have an occupant that just got inside of the hammock. Seems to be holding up well, it hasn't broken yet. What's your review in there?
I like it.
You like it? You're almost like closed in, it's like you're a string bean. So you're locked in here like a string bean. It can allegedly support 2 people. So we'll try that out here in a few minutes and see if we fall and break something. Now that we've got the hammock all set up, it's time to go ahead and whip up a quick lunch. So we actually have some Backpacker Pantry mango sticky rice, Coleman little stove, kettle. We're gonna get some water boiled up and have some mango sticky rice to enjoy in the little Mr. Mock hammock here. Got the kettle all fired up right there. boiling away our water. So the mango sticky rice is done, sealed up in the bag. Haven't decided to eat it yet, but here's a funny fact for you here. So Sarah and I are actually doing 4 days of camping. 2 nights here and then another 2 nights somewhere else. And, you know, I'm CampFire Grub or whatever, I do some cooking. The only utensils I have for burger flipping on the grill, cooking, eating, everything else is this, 1 spoon. I have 1 spoon for both of us, and this is the only cooking utensil that we have for the next 4 days is 1 spoon. So we just basically have just been carrying around this 1 single spoon everywhere we go for this whole trip. So we have our little camp here pretty much picked up. Sarah is freezing. Would you say so?
Yes.
All right, so Sarah is freezing. We're pretty much packed up. We're gonna go hit the river, go down the springs, check them out some more. And we got the hammock all rolled back up again. Fits nicely with the straps inside the bag. I actually love this hammock. I think it worked out pretty well. The quality seems good. The build quality is nice. It was comfortable. For the price point, I love this hammock. This hammock is great. Definitely will get lots of use out of it over the years, hopefully, and hopefully it stays just as nice as it is now.